Make money online with CPA marketing as a beginner. So in this video, I'm going to show you completely proven method that a lot of people are using and make money online with CPA marketing. So let's go. We're going to start this video. But before, make sure you guys must subscribe, Hustlers Club, hit the bell icon, and let's get started this video. So we officially launched our Affiliate Begins program that's specially designed for beginners. If you guys don't know, link in the description, go and check it out and join Affiliate Begins. So first step is you guys simply came to CPAGrip, like everybody know about CPAGrip, and I show you this platform a lot of the times in my previous videos, and I assume like everybody have CPAGrip account. If anyone don't have account, simply click register their accounts. So once you click register your account, you guys simply add your name, last name, website. It's not necessary. You guys can see these stars, it means these are required fields. If there is no stars, it means they are not required fields. Okay, so simply add your name, email, password, street, and your account will be created instantly. The CPAGrip don't need any approval. So I have my CPAGrip account. Quickly I'm gonna log in and then I'm gonna show you what we're gonna do next, how we're gonna promote CPA related offers. Okay, so right now you guys can see I am logged in my CPAGrip account. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna directly click on offers and tools, and simply I'm gonna go into the my offers. Click this. So now you guys can see we are in our offers tab. You guys can see first, you guys can see countries, categories, show stats, and all this good stuff. So these are filters, to be honest, all these filters. So let's looking for the highest payout, again $2.06. So I'm gonna go and select a different country which I saw before, like New Zealand. Click this. So you guys can see I selected New Zealand, and I'm gonna go with like highest payout, and you guys can see it's a really high payout, $25.67. But again, you guys can see the categories is like credit card submits, and I told you it's really hard to get this kind of like offer like this kind of offers. Normally people are not add their credit card details, so that's why we leave these offers and we are looking for the simple offers like pin submit and email submit. Okay, so for example, today we find offer that you guys can see $3.76. They will give you just submit a pin. You guys can see this. So quickly I'm gonna open this. So once you click on add new link, then you guys can see I'm gonna copy this and I'm gonna add a title, and you guys can see add URL or email. So quickly I'm gonna copy and paste my CPAGrip link here. So now you guys can see I'm gonna click this, and you guys can see like play popular games, enter your mobile phone number, and get started. So it means in this offer, you guys is literally grab that person mobile phone and you're able to make $3.76 in every mobile phone. So that guy is not purchasing anything and doing not anything, just add their phone numbers and we are making $3.76, nearly $4 in every single number submit. Okay, and they will play games, simple as that. So today we're gonna go and promote this offer. So simply copy that link and let's go. I'm gonna show you how we're gonna promote this gaming related offer, and literally that person will give us email and we will, sorry, not email, not only number, and we will make $3.76, nearly $4. So let's go. I'm gonna show you what we're gonna do next. So let's go to the next website. So this website is called beacons.ai. So I show you this website in my few previous videos. So we need a small and basic landing page. That's why I came to this website, and this website is completely free for beginners. You guys can see I click on the pricing, and if you scroll down, you guys can see creators and entrepreneurs. Like for creators, it's free. You guys literally go and sign up for completely free. So simply sign up, add your email, password, and name, and your account will be created instantly. So I have my account. Quickly I'm gonna log in and then I'm gonna show you what we're gonna do next. Okay, so right now you guys can see I'm logged in my beacons.ai account. So once you log in first time, you guys can see this kind of page. So quickly first we're gonna add a block. You guys can easily find blocks. So first I am looking for the header. So let's scroll down and let's see where is header. You guys can see layout, there is a header. So simply click add. So once you click add header, you guys can see you're able to upload image from your PC. So I'm gonna go with like white, it's simple, I like. And you guys can see picture like shape. So I'm gonna go with like circle. So these are all the designing and creativity. Now it's you guys can go explore and do your own self, because I'm not gonna show you the creativity. I'm gonna show you how you guys can make money. Okay, so once you did this, then you guys, what you guys can do, I'm gonna simply close this, and now next step is again I'm gonna click on add a block. Click this, and now you guys can see add a link. So once you click this, now you guys can see again a lot of layout. So I'm gonna normally go with like classic, it looks simple and basic. So first I'm gonna copy and paste my headline, like copy and paste my headline, and description is not needed, but I'm gonna add my link, add a new link. Click this. So you guys can see I'm gonna simply copy and paste my CPAGrip link here. So it's not needed, to be honest, it not looks good. So that's why I'm gonna remove this, and you guys can see more than 300 free games. And scroll up, and you guys can also go and design this. But right now I'm gonna not show you the designing and all this stuff. Quickly I'm gonna give you the overview, but before I'm gonna give you the overview, I'm gonna change this name. It not looks good. Click on the header, click edit block. So once you click on the edit block header, then you scroll down, you guys can see there is display name. I'm gonna copy and paste my free games. That is my name, like landing page. Now we go back. Now you guys can see, click on the designing. You're able to change that background and all this good stuff. Now it's completely up to you. You guys can see custom. So you guys can go and explore yourself and do designing, but to be honest, I'm not gonna show you designing and all this good stuff. So I just show you the way. Okay, so now what we're gonna do, we're gonna go back. So I show you how you guys can designing all this stuff. You guys can able to change background images and able to change like a designing of this and all this stuff. Okay, so now I'm gonna go back, and this is the link. Sorry, click this. So this is the link. You guys also able to change this manifesto name, Midas manifesto, from settings, but I'm not going to show you. Guys go and explore quickly. I'm going to copy this, click this share button, and you guys can see where is the link. Add link in, there you go. Copy this, and now we're gonna go and promote this link. Okay, so let's go where we're gonna go and promote this link and how we're gonna make money. So let's go. So this website is called Propeller Ads. Maybe you guys listen about this website, and I'm gonna show you how we're gonna go and promote our CPA offer with this website. And you guys don't know, like a lot of people are doing CPA marketing with this platform and making thousands of dollars a month, but very few people know about this. So let's go. I'm gonna show you how. It's super simple to sign up. You guys simply click sign up. So once you click on sign up, you guys say like I am an advertiser, simply click sign up like this. So once you click on sign up, you guys can say advertiser, I am an individual person, and literally add your all these like first, last name, city, country, city, address, email address, number, and your account will be created. So I have my account. Quickly I'm gonna log in, and then I'm gonna show you okay what we're gonna do next. So let's go. So right now you guys can see I am logging in my Propeller Ads account. So once you log in, you guys can see this kind of page. So quickly I'm going to show you what we're going to do and how we're going to promote our CPA offer. So first you guys can see create a campaign. Simply click create a campaign. So once you click on create a campaign, first you guys can name your campaign. So quickly I'm going to name my campaign. So you guys can see I named my campaign is like CPA new. Now I'm going to click on push notifications, that one. Scroll down, I'm going to remove like in-page push. I'm going to go with like classic push. I'm going to go with like CPC, cost per click. I'm going to go, and again I'm going to uncheck this in-page push. We go with like classic traditional web push. Okay, so this is a really good and converts well. So it's a traditional one. Scroll down, you guys can see like again we uncheck brokers traffic, and if you scroll down you guys can see user activity. So we uncheck low. We go with like, so let's go with like 3, both. It doesn't matter for us. We go with like both. Then now you guys scroll down a little bit, and you guys can select a country because our offer only works in New Zealand like this. So we go with like New Zealand, and I'm gonna go with like cost per click. It says like recommended is like 4. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go with like 0. Like let's see, let's go with like 4. Okay, for now. So now we selected 2 things like New Zealand and 0.4 cents per click. Now we scroll down again, and you guys can see campaign budget. So we go with like minimum $30, but if you spend $10 and if you think you are not getting results, you guys literally pause that campaign or delete this campaign easily. Okay, now you scroll down, you guys can see targeting because our offer only works in mobile phone, which we selected, so that's why we go with like mobile phones only. Okay, now you scroll down, you don't need to touch OS or browsers all this kind of stuff because we don't need these things. We scroll down simply, and because our offer is related to gaming, that's why I'm gonna select iGaming. So I selected iGaming. You guys can also select any other if your offer is related to any other thing, but my offer is related to iGaming. Simply click this. Now I'm gonna scroll down. You don't need to select any woman or man. Go with like broader as much as possible. Now you scroll down, you guys can see don't touch anything. We don't need to do retargeting and this kind of stuff. Now we scroll down, and you guys can see you guys can upload your creativity, means your title and description and icon and landscape image. So quickly give me 2 seconds. I'm gonna upload all these things, and then I'm gonna show you. Don't waste the time. Okay, so now you guys can see I uploaded like my headline, free play popular games now. more than 300 popular games free now. And you guys can see this is my icon image, you guys can see here, and this is my landscape image. Literally I downloaded both images from Google. You guys can download from anywhere else. So for example, you guys can see more or settings. So I'm gonna click custom text and I'm gonna add like play now, and now you guys can see it's turned into play. So you guys can see this is how our ad look like in Windows. In Mac our ad look like this, and Android mobile phone maybe our ad will be look like this. Okay, so now you guys can see our ad is almost done. So before we're gonna close this, I'm gonna show you a few things. So potentially in $10-30 you're able to generate 1,700 plus clicks. So it's a lot of clicks, to be honest. You will able, like for example, half of the people will sign up, and every sign up you're able to make $3.76, nearly $4. It's a lot of money. So if like for example 10 or 100 people did it, you are able to make $300 to $3,000 plus a day. So you guys can check. You don't need to panic and spend a lot of money. Just spend $5-10 and you will able to see results. Scroll up quickly. I'm gonna do one thing is like where is the landing page URL, targeting URL. Simply I'm gonna copy and paste. So you guys can see quickly I'm gonna copy and paste my direct CPAGrip link. Why? Because a lot of the times propeller ads allow you to do go and direct linking. Sometimes they don't allow you. That's why I show you how you guys can create a simple basic landing page. If propeller ads does not allow, then you guys can use a landing page beacons.ai. If they allow you, first you guys can try direct linking. If they allow you, then simply go with like direct CPAGrip link. Okay, if they don't allow, then you guys go and use landing page. Okay, so let's see, let's go scroll all the way down. We are almost done, and simply click next, start campaign. Simply like this, click this. So it says like yes. So once you click on start campaign, you guys can see your campaign ID and all this good stuff. You guys can able to see views, impressions, CTR, CR, cost, and every single thing you are able to see here, like ROI. So normally you are not be able to see ROI because we didn't connected our pixel, but you are able to see all these a lot of data in here. Okay, so make sure you guys do not run more than $5 to $10, because like in $5 to $10 you're able to see results. If you're not seeing results, it means you did anything wrong. Just remove or delete this campaign and create a completely new campaign from scratch. Okay, but this method works, and a lot of people are doing CPA marketing with propeller ads. Okay, so with this CPA marketing method, you're able to make decent amount of money per month. And remember one thing, it only run your campaign for 3 days, and don't spend more than $15. If you spend $15 and you're not seeing results, then make sure to delete this campaign and create a new campaign with new images and with new headlines and with new offer. Okay, so do not spend more than $5 to $15. If you're seeing results, then make sure let's spend more money. If you're not seeing results, make sure to delete this campaign and create a new campaign with new headlines and images. Okay, so we officially launched our Affiliate Begins program that's specially designed for beginners. If you guys don't know, link in the description, go and check it out and join Affiliate Begins.